Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Adobe XD for web design. First, open Adobe XD and select Web from the new document presets, perhaps choosing a common desktop size like 1920 by 1080 pixels. This sets up your initial canvas. Then, use the tools on the left to add basic elements such as text boxes, shapes, and images. You can easily drag and drop assets directly onto your artboard to begin your design. Next, focus on structuring your layout effectively. Activate the layout grid to maintain consistent spacing and alignment across your design, typically using a 12-column grid. Create reusable components for elements like buttons, navigation menus, and cards. This saves significant time and ensures consistency. Utilize the powerful Repeat Grid feature to duplicate elements like product listings or testimonials with just a few clicks, making content population incredibly efficient. Now, let's bring your design to life with prototyping. Switch to the Prototype tab and connect your artboards to define user journeys, such as clicking a button to navigate to a new page. Add interactive elements like hover effects, scroll groups, and transitions to simulate a real website experience. You can preview your prototype directly with an XD or on a mobile device to test its responsiveness and user flow, ensuring a smooth interaction. Finally, it's time to share your work and collaborate. Use the Share tab to generate a link for stakeholders to review your design and provide comments directly on the artboards. You can also invite team members to co-edit the project in real time, streamlining your workflow. When ready for development, easily export assets like images and icons in various formats, including PNG, SVG, and JPG, ensuring a smooth handoff.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.